Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are reviewing another daily goodie box. So let's get in and let's get into the box. All right guys, welcome back. So like I said, we are reviewing another daily goodie box. So for those of you who don't know, daily goodie box is a free box that you can get. Definitely make sure that you are logged in and you have an account. It's a free account. If you go to dailygoodiebox.com, you can get a free account. So you can figure out how to get, well, not figure out, so you can find the ways that you can get a free box yourself. The easiest way I've found, in my opinion, has always been going to their Facebook page, because they always post different ways that you can get a daily goodie box for yourself. So we are looking at the box for December. So this is the way that the box comes each month when you get it. And then inside are all your free goodies that you can give a try. Now the reason why they're giving these goodies out is because the companies, the brands that they give you, they're kind of like not, some of them are smaller brands. They kind of want an idea of what your thoughts are on their products. So kind of like you're a tester in a sense, because you're giving them your feedback on the box. If I can talk, this video would be perfect. All right, so every box, when you get it, it actually looks like this. And what it says is, you got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products included inside. Please remember to log into your account and share your thoughts on everything included in your box, and thank you. So thank you. And then it has everything wrapped in that tissue paper. So it has everything there just like that, snug in the box. So we're gonna see what came in this box this time around. So the first thing that I see here are actually birthday candles. So that's pretty cool. I've never gotten anything like that before. So this is from the company called Goodie. I don't know about you guys, but the next birthday around is actually mine, but that's in a few months. So we can definitely put that to the side and save them for mine. But in January, my dog is gonna be his 3rd birthday, so we can use that for him as well. Let me know if you guys have any dogs. Where do you usually, do you give them, what do you do for their birthdays? Because my dog is on the 7th of January. So what do you normally do for them? I usually get him ice cream, but I'm not aware, you guys let me know in the comments below, please. I'm not aware of any companies that actually do cakes for dogs. Let me know if any companies do that, because that would be super cute, because I haven't done enough research to see if that's actually a thing. Or what do you give your pets on their birthdays? Let me know. All right, so I know that was super random, but the birthday cakes kind of came to play into that one. All right, so the next thing we have here is from a company called Toast. So it says, always toast yourself before you drink. And then these are, hold on. Oh, these are supplements. So it says 2 servings in every pack. So I'm not too sure. The full details of this one, I don't like to open it because I don't want it to spoil, but I'll put in my blog. I always put these videos on my blog too, so definitely check that out. It seems like it's a dietary supplement. Obviously that's what it says there. So if there's any more information on this one, I'll check on the bottom. Usually there's more information on the products at the bottom too. And then the next thing we have here is from Hydrolyte. This is Electrolyte Powder. So you see there, you put that into your drink, and then you can drink it. So there's 3 packets of these inside. These have come these been good for us, because I got like an electrolyte drink, I think a couple months back, and we were able to use that when my husband was not feeling well. So that came into handy for us. And then the next thing I have is from Echo Lips. These are like the best lip balms out there. I haven't tried this one, this is hemp, but I believe it was last year, they gave me like 3 from Echo Lips, and I've been hooked on that brand ever since. So thank you to Echo Lips for introducing me to that one. That one was definitely needed for me, especially in the winter. My lips, they get super dry in the winter for some reason. Well, because it's winter. But the next thing we have here is from Noco. This is Miami Strawberry. So this is a caffeinated drink. So we always use this. My husband usually uses those because he goes to work really super early. He's the only one that works outside of his house, and he uses those drinks just to keep him flowing. Usually he works like 10-hour shifts. So this is like on that afternoon kind of sluggish feel that you get, those are like super perfect for him. So that's what he uses that for. And then the next thing we have here is definitely going to be for my husband. Well, my husband and my son, they are hooked on this. This is plant-based tomato jerky sriracha. They love sriracha. I'm not a hot person, but plant-based, we're vegans, so this is actually perfect for us. So they will definitely dig that one. And then we have 2 more items here. So the next thing we have here is actually a shampoo bar. So this is from Ayurvedic Formula. Hope I said that right. And let me take a look here and see if I can open this to give you guys an idea of what it looks like. I think, oh, it's actually a bar with neem. So this is shampoo bar with neem. So I don't want to open that up because it's actually a bar, but it says rub shampoo bar into wet hair, use fingers to work and lather. I've never used a shampoo bar before. So let me know in the comments section below if you guys have. I've never even heard of a shampoo bar, but it says sulfate-free, gluten-free, vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, rainforest-friendly, earth-friendly, great for outdoors. So that is super, super unique. I will definitely let you guys know of an update on that one because I'm curious too. And then the last one we have here is actually from Real Chemistry. I got a face mask before from Real Chemistry. So this is actually a serum. So those are usually super expensive. So I'll put the retail price on my blog so you guys can check that out once I figure that out. But yeah, I can always use a good serum. So I'm gonna take a step back so I can see what that other product was from Toast. Let me see. So it doesn't really give me a description, but if you go to my blog, I will definitely put in the blog so that you guys can check out the product, but it says it's a dietary supplement. And these are all the information that they usually give you about the products here, or those companies. So here it's giving you like the prices for one of the products here from Real Chemistry. So let us do a recap and see what all came inside this one. So we have that caffeine drink, and then we have the Real Chemistry serum. We have that shampoo bar, which is super, super different. We have Eco Lips, hemp Eco Lips. We have the candles, which are perfect for the new year. I don't know about you guys, but I'm definitely ready for 2020 to be over. And then we have the Sriracha jerkies, and then we have our dietary supplements. And last but not least, we have our electrolytes. So let me know in the comments section below if you guys have tried any of these products. I'm super curious about them. So with that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you dig videos like this, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good day, guys.